How to verify your Bunq account. Follow my instructions. If you use Bunq, you'll need to complete KYC verification to unlock full banking features. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's required by law for identity verification. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Bunq app on your phone. Log in with your account credentials. Go to the Profile or Settings section in the app menu. Look for the option called Verify Identity or Complete Verification. Tap on it to start the process. You'll be asked to provide your full name, address, and date of birth. Next, upload a valid government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the photo is clear, with no glare or blur. You may also need to take a live selfie for facial verification. Once submitted, Bunq will review your documents. This usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. You'll get a notification in the app once verification is complete. That's how you verify your Bunq account and complete KYC. Thanks for watching.